In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Framer. We'll start inside your Framer project. Open the project you want to connect, and look for the highlighted control that opens the project menu. Click it to get to Site Settings. This is where all hosting and domain options live. Once you're in Site Settings, head to the General section, then switch over to the Domains area. Think of this page as your command center for everything related to your site's web address. Here, you'll see the URL field at the top. That's the primary address your visitors will use once your domain is connected. Just below, check the status indicator. This will tell you if your domain is connected, pending verification, or if something needs attention. You'll also see a version control. Make sure you're working with the version you intend to put live. If you see an option labeled Custom, that's your signal to use your own domain rather than a default subdomain. Framer may show an option to claim a free custom domain or to buy a yearly plan to get a discounted domain and unlock more features. These are helpful if you don't already have a domain. If you're bringing one from GoDaddy, you can simply note these options and continue. There's also a Claim a Domain button you can explore to understand what Framer includes with its plans. But we'll proceed with connecting your existing domain. Before we add the domain, take a moment to set your canonical URL. This tells search engines which URL should be treated as the definitive address for your content, which is great for SEO and avoiding duplicate content issues. Next, click Setup to open Framer's connection flow. You'll arrive at the domain overview where Framer highlights that advanced hosting features become available once a custom domain is connected. Click Add Domain and enter your GoDaddy domain, like example.com, exactly as you want it to appear. After you add it, Framer will generate the DNS records you need. Keep this tab open. Those values are what you'll later place at your registrar. If you're using GoDaddy, you'll copy the records Framer provides into your GoDaddy DNS settings, so the domain points to your Framer site. Framer's status panel will update as the connection verifies. When you're ready, click Publish. Publishing ensures your latest build is live and ready to receive traffic on the domain you just added. Give DNS a little time to propagate globally. Then return to the domains page to confirm the status shows as